What if brokenness was celebrated, not hidden away? Today, we uncover an ancient art that embraces every flaw. This is Kintsugi, a unique Japanese repair philosophy. It transforms broken ceramics with stunning gold seams. Far beyond mere mending, it tells a deeper cultural story. Kintsugi highlights the beauty found in imperfection. This ancient practice offers profound lessons for modern life. Discover how a repair can become more precious than new. Kintsugi's origins trace back to 15th century Japan. Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimasa broke his favorite tea bowl. He sent it to China for repair, but received ugly metal staples. Disappointed, he tasked Japanese artisans with a better method. They developed kintsugi, using lacquer and gold dust. This method perfectly embodied the wabi-sabi aesthetic. Wabi-sabi celebrates transient beauty and natural imperfection. It finds grace in wear, age, and visible repairs. Each golden line chronicles an object's unique history. Kintsugi makes the breakage a significant part of the story. The traditional kintsugi process is slow and meticulous. Artisans use yorushi lacquer, derived from tree sap. This natural material is applied in several delicate layers. Each layer requires weeks to cure in a humid environment. Fine gold powder is carefully dusted onto the final lacquer. This creates the distinctive, shimmering golden veins. No toxic glues or harsh chemicals are typically involved. It is a true testament to patience and artistic dedication. The repaired piece becomes stronger and uniquely beautiful. Kintsugi truly elevates the act of mending to an art. This ancient craft respects both material and time. Kintsugi's philosophy resonates strongly today worldwide. It promotes a powerful anti-consumerism and sustainability message. Why discard when you can beautifully restore an item? This challenges our throwaway culture and wasteful habits. Kintsugi also serves as a potent metaphor for life. Our own scars and experiences make us uniquely strong. Embracing imperfections leads to greater resilience and wisdom. This philosophy encourages self-acceptance and personal growth. Kintsugi is not just about fixing, it's about valuing. It teaches us to cherish the journey, flaws and all. Many global artists now incorporate kintsugi principles. Kintsugi offers more than just a repair technique. It's a profound cultural lesson on enduring beauty. It transforms breakage into something truly magnificent. Embrace your golden cracks. They tell your unique story. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.